Yes, Saurav, you can proceed. Souvik, you can
Yes, sir.
proceed.
Okay. Yeah. Good day, good afternoon, all. I'm Souvik. My name is Souvik. I am from West Bengal, and I was a student of, as I was and I am now a student of CMTI, Bangalore, and before.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
you can proceed.
okay. Yeah, so I was working at an interior firm, and before the past 4 months, I left my job due to some health issues, and that's why I wanted to join the BIM course in CMTI, and the training was a very informative, a very patient, and it will be helpful for anyone who wants to proceed in the construction design, and mostly in the construction sector, who wants to go in the future, who wants to like develop the things in the future. It's a perfect place for a civil engineer to achieve the dreams and make them turn into reality. BIM is actually a platform where the eco industry, the architecture, engineering, construction, and operation industry work together. So it is done to two or three softwares. Namely, in my training course, I'm starting with Revit and Navisworks. So this is my module that I created in Navisworks. It is about multi-specialty redevelopment project based on Howrah station. Mostly it is to improve the walking passage between each and every platform, because in Howrah station, many might have seen that there are fish fish sellers who are sitting in between the two platforms. So to overcome this, I have made an overbridge, which is like a almost of a modern overbridge from, and the concept has been taken from the Koge North station, which is in Denmark, and it was built in June 2019. It was made to made to it is to ease the connectivity between two stations. There was not a station in that Koge, Denmark, but due to this station, a lot of commercial and economic and even traveling has been easy there. So I have made the whole platform, the whole station in this project in Revit. And the project area is of 286 by 154 square meters. So, and the passage area between there is a passage area where people can directly walk from the main building to the station. So it is of 286 by 36 square meters. So here is the overbridge area that I made. This is from the Koge North station, that is placed in Denmark, and this overbridge will directly allow access to people from one platform to another platform. Also, there won't be any scenes that are now created in Howrah station. Like there will be not any fish market or any fish vendor selling fishes between them. It will be an easy way of traveling also. So here is my main building area. It is consisting of five parts. One is the library area, one is the shop area, and one is the sitting area that we can see from here of the passengers. One is the washroom area, and there will be one ticket counter area and a control room area in the whole building. So here is the main building area. It's of 286 by 154. In here we can see that of the this is the ticket counter area, and this is the passage area that I was talking about to connect this main building with the platforms. So here, just people can directly access from the main building to the platform. And here is a view of the top view of my project. Mostly it is of the early stages of the project where I did till now did not like at that time I did not complete it. It was just a starting. And also like the stations we can be directly connected to the overbridges where the the trucks and people coming from the main city can access this and directly enter the stations to through two of the platforms, namely platform number 9 and platform number 13. So here are my model views for the project, and this is the overbridge area. One thing I wanted to tell is that to all the people out here that this project, the dream, if you have a dream on this project or anything that you are making, then only you can get such you can achieve the whole of a big project. You can have the target and you can achieve it on a whole basis. If you are not like practicing or you are not progressing and with your thought process, then you cannot gain this project or you cannot complete it perfectly. So my plan area of the project is like 324, like total plan area will be of 324 by 481 square meters. Yeah, and it will be consisting of three areas, namely the main building area, the passage area, and which connects to the main platform area and the platform area of the north and east side trains mostly. Because if I would have made the whole station, then I couldn't have achieved in a single Revit file. It will be tough for me. So I have made only for the north and east side trains that are like coming and going from Howrah station. The main building area will consist of the shop area, the library area, the rail canteen area, and washroom area, as I told. And so here are my level plans. This is the main building plan for where the people can access it from outside, like who are coming through the main highway or something like, and or a place like that. And this is the shop area, and these are the library. This is a library area where people can just like take the books from these shelves and directly sit here. And for studying and laptop usage area, it is another room. And this room, the main area room, will be having like a noise cancellation area because it cannot be accessed directly to the sitting and studying because there will be a much of noise out here while using laptops or any internet facilities. So I have separated both of the rooms, and there is a ticket counter area and a control area. And one thing I missed is that yeah, Revit is mostly for designing, and not only for designing, not only for planning, but it is also to like make schedules, make legends, make a notable part where changes need to be made. So we can define each and every part of a project in a Revit. Wherever you are, wherever each team, like the production team, the operations team, the construction team, right from customer changes, we can absorb in we can absorb and change it in a project in a single Revit file where each and everyone can have access. Like the daily updates can be observed in a Revit project. Whatever it is going on.
Can you make it full screen, Souvik? No, next one. Presentation. Presenter. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Left. No, here only. Next one.
Okay. Okay.
No, not that one. The third one. Yeah, correct. That's yes.
Okay. Yes. Is it fine, sir?
Yeah.
So here are my seating area of passengers, and like where people can directly enter and like take rest who are going for long distance trains, and like these are the shop areas. So yeah, and this is the platform area. It is somewhat messed up, and I cannot show it nicely due to many elements being like in that area. Like many elements I had to put in that area for performing each of the railway platforms. So each platform will have a TT room, one control room, and even one RPF room, which I changed later. Actually, it's now mentioned as TT, but I have made it as RPF and as of now. So platform one area will be having an area of 292 by 16 square meters, which is of this one. This is platform one, which is having an area of 292 by 16 square meters, and the areas which are more than 185 meters in length, then they can only be, these platforms can only be redeveloped as per the Indian and as per the Indian railway standards. So this platform one can be converted into a redeveloped station. If the Indian Railways thinks of redeveloping the platform, then they can directly redevelop the platform because of its length. And platform 2 to 7 will be having an area of 232 by 16 square meters. Platform 6 to 7 as 248 by 16. And all platforms will be having an width as 16 meters. And in between the gap of two, so as to like for the rail area, like for trains to stand by, there will be an like area left of a width left of 12 meters.
How you know all these technical details?
Sir, actually, I got this from a journal, Indian Railways journal.
Okay, you started exploring. Once the project title is given, you started exploring the to get more details.
Yes, sir. Actually, I studied it first. I went through the journals first, like how can it be, which platforms can be developed, redeveloped, and which platforms cannot be redeveloped, and like how to make the platforms, what should be in there, how much area should I consider. Each
Okay.
and
Oh,
everything it was written in that journal.
yeah. Okay. Proceed.
And the one platform will be having a parcel area, like it is directly connected to that overbridge area of the vehicles, where the vehicles can directly access the platforms. So people from direct main city can come to this platform, and so the width of this platform will be much more. That's why we can see it as 297 by 44 square meters. And platform 12 to 13 will be of 252 by 16 square meters. Like platform 8 will be having the same thing. So as all platform will be having mostly platforms will be having all 16 square meters in width, and only the parcel area will be having a greater square meters due to like loading, unloading, and like people can come into the platform directly through their vehicles. So there are the three rooms. All these will be available on each and every platform, from platform 1 to platform 13. Each and every platform will be having this, and one TT room, one control room, one RPM room, one ladies toilet, one gents toilet, and a multi-station, a multi-specialty shop. Like everything can be achieved here: medicines, food, water, anything. And this toilet area of gents and ladies will be having drinking water facilities also. So the total area in all platforms for gents toilet will be 3 by 4 square meters, and for ladies will be also the same. That's 3 by 4 square meters. Main area for all the platforms, main room area, that is the TT room plus control room plus RPF room, each will be having like 8 by 26 square meters, the total area. And for TT room it will be having 7 by 8 square meters, for control room 10 by 8 square meters in each platform, And for RPF room, it will be having 9 by 8 square meters in each platform. Shop area for all platforms will be 17 by 9 square meters, the multi-stationary shop. And so here are the callouts. Mostly.
Which software you used for this?
Yes, sir.
Which software you have used?
Sir, Revit itself.
Revit. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, proceed.
Yeah, drinking water. So here are the callouts. So as to mention the construction operation team, that what facilities each room should have. Like there is a corner shop which will be having it is the only multi-stationary shop in the whole building. Like it will be containing both food, medicines, and everything. It will be available in the main building area, and in the platform area the drinking water services will be provided, as I mentioned before, just times before, that the gents and the ladies platform will be having the drinking water area. And the call out, see, these call outs are mostly used for like any special information a designer or any planner wants to give to the construction team or operation team while they are setting a room, or any interior, even an interior company also who are working in the interiors, so they can also set a room as per the callouts and the details mentioned in these callouts. So over bridges that I showed, it will be having 2 elevators, and in between a large staircase that will be connecting to the directly to the overbridge for the people. It's mostly for the people to walk. This overbridge will be directly connecting to the people's overbridge that is made from the Kogenot station. So here are the area, total area wise distribution that we can see. And like passage area will be having 153 by 286 square meters, and seating area like 113 by 121, library main area 17 by 21 square meters, and hence as follows. And we can see the ticket control room area as 18 by 76 square meters, and control room area as 14 by 76 square meters. So here are all the 3D views, so as to easily get the area, like which area is which part. This is the library main area for studying, just only for noise cancellation room mostly. This is a library seating area where each and every people can access their laptops and just have a leisure time here, just for mostly for reading, but with modern laptops and everything. So here is the library and the shop area, like opposite. It's just the opposite, and here is a passage area directly to access to the station outside. The station main building area. That's. So here's the shop area. These shops are mostly for food counters, and they are of which are in the right side of the main part of the building. That is the 5 by 4 square meters, like in the area of the shops. And this is the interior of the each shop, the small shops. And this is a corner shop that I was mentioning. So here is a 3D view of it. And each and every things will be available here, drinking water, whereas we can also have books and also have medicines, everything. It will be having an area of 9 by 5 square meters. Is the interior of the corner shop. There is a railway canteen area, a dining area where people can have the food. It will be controlled by railways, and due to the social distancing, and nowadays due to, as we all know, due to corona, so I kept a big distance between each and every table. and it will be directly connected to the railway canteen, which will be railway canteen kitchen area, which will be inside of it. So here is the railway canteen kitchen area. Each and every things will be cooked and placed here for the customers who are coming out. Here's a gents toilet area with 38 by 28 square meters. And in it there will be washrooms. There will be 8 washrooms on the gents toilet area, which will be having an area of 4 by 6 square meters. Here is the ladies toilet area in the main part of the building, which will be having an area of 30 by 28 square meters. And here is the ladies washroom, bathroom. It's a bathroom of 7 by 4 square meters. Ladies toilet area will be having both bathroom and washroom for nice facilities, for there won't be any problems with any lady for any using any washroom. They will be clean and both maintained properly. That's why I separated the washroom and the bathroom. So here are the interiors of the same. And this is a ticket counter area where the people will the railway staff will be sitting out here and providing the tickets. Each table will have a printer and a laptop for printing out the tickets. And and at the back of it there will be a control room, as I said, and as I showed the plan before. So here are some sections of my project. So this is a section of the passage area, and from where the platform area is just starting. Here is a full view of of one platform along with the overbridge starting area. This is the railway counter section, ticket counter section, and here are some tunnels also are directly connected with that for making the background more efficient and good looking. Here is the overbridge area along with the platform, and here are my 3D sections. So these are the railway canteen area, which will be on both floors. And this is the library area as a 3D section. And this is the seating and studying area where people can directly access the Wi-Fi and connect their laptops and do any stuffs. This is a shop area, the outside of the shop area. So yeah, these are the staircases that can be directly connected to each floors. There will be 2 floors in the main building area. And with that, there will be 2 elevators as seen here. Not elevators, actually, it's escalators. Sorry, my word. So there will be 2 staircases lying besides the ticket control area, so that the people can also have the tickets for the restrooms on the second floor. There will be restrooms for people they can rest there in the second floor. The rooms will be available on the second floor for each commuter. So here the in-place families created. These families can be only created in one single project. They cannot be used. This whole area cannot be used in any other project. It is mainly created by massing, and it is created as an in-place. It cannot be shifted to anywhere. It will be stuck in this place and it will be placed here only. And in a single project, the in-place family files will work. And there are two types mostly, in place and loadable family files. And loadable family files we can use in different projects also, which I have made and I will show you later in the presentation. So here is my directly connected like platforms directly connecting to the overbridge area. We can also set the sun, like if it's morning, the sun shadow. If it's morning, we can set the sun shadow also. We can view it in Revit. So Revit using BIM is a vast like experience, or like anybody who wants to develop any models, any construction models, they also they can create many engines, and also they can, like I have created some of the model engines and model like cars, buses, each and every object you can make in Revit. It's such a useful tool to the present world. From the like people's passage area that I made, we can view the whole platform that we can see here. And here is my final, like I've changed the roof here. This is my final project. And these are the loadable families that I created. I created a column, and using many tools like extrusion to extend it, and void to keep an area hole in it. We can use a void. Many many things we can do with that. So I use the columns on the outside of the building. So here is my front side of the junction station that I made. Also, I made this Indian Railways engine that I created using Revit. And here is a view of it. We can see it going through a tunnel. Even we can make tunnels in highways also using Revit. We can achieve that through many tools. I've made this one. This clock is also made in. I made it in Revit, so we can use it. And the Navisworks is mostly for clash detection. Like if a floor is clashing with a wall, if the wall is extended beyond the floor or not, we can like directly use it. Also, we can like mostly it is used for initializing and analyzing a project that we have done in Revit. We can attach a Revit file in Navisworks for the output. So these electric poles, I have made it using Revit. So as we can see here, and the wire also. This is the electric pole with the wire for the directly connecting with the engines and the bogies for easy movement of the trains. You can see it from here. Also, we can use topography for these mountains and to create these mountains. Even we can use topography to create rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Here is a 3D image. Due to like less memory, I couldn't show you the better part. Also, we can create rivers coming down from mountains. So these are the rivers. Actually, due to the less memory, it's not being shown. Yeah, this thing I created using Revit. So this is the like rivers coming flowing down through the like besides the platform. It's coming down through the mountains. And here is the rendered view of it. So this is the massing that I told that we can use as massing in place. I have used it as a in place family file, and also using massing. So yeah, and here are the scheduling, like each and every room schedules, like window schedules, door schedules in each level, how many doors are there, what is the area, what is the like length, height, everything we can see here. And also we can include the cost. We can like if you are putting a door or window and each and everything, we can put the cost in there, and the cost also can be calculated as per the number of count. Here is a lighting schedule. Even we can calculate the cost of each and every item. Even we can assign a room to if it is a rentable one, or if it is a non-rentable one. Each and everything we can mention it in a Revit file. Also, there are multi-category schedules. Each and every details of a project, like whatever materials are used, whatever furnitures are used, whatever side things are used, whatever each and every models that I created, that also can be coming in the multi-category schedule. It's a full details of a project, so that like people can access about the total budget of the project before going it to the before like going for the construction and operation cost and everything. We can analyze it in a Revit model. So here are the doors, level 1 doors that I used in the project. And here we can see the cost of each door set, this whole set. And what is the height, the width, we can see here. Also the total count and the total cost, like total cost for each doors. How count multiplied by the cost will be coming the total cost. So we can have we can see it from here. The level 2 doors, like these I made it in legends, so as to like these are mostly used to mention each and every object, like what is the cost and height, and to like a 3D view, so that the planning team and designing team can use it from here. And also it's used for the customer, to show it to the customer, so that like they can easily get the knowledge of each and everything that the company is taking, the cost, mostly the height, width, how much area will it cover in a project. Everything we can mention it in a Revit file. Here are the windows that are used. So even we can change the name, we can change the color, we can make a single window. This window I have made on it on my own, and by editing another window. So each and everything is possible in Revit. The more we explore, the more we practice, the more we play with this Revit, then only we will know what we can do with this Revit. And the only thing that is in this Revit is that, so here are my 3D views, yeah, like rendered views. These are, and I would like to share. Sir, can I share from that? I have the video. Can I share it from the my mobile, because it's not here, sir. Hello.
Done, Souvik?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I share the video?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. So actually, I need to like log out from here and then show it in the like mobile. It's in the mobile, sir.
Okay. You stop sharing. Yes, Souvik, proceed. Share your screen.
Sir, can I share it now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you able to do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. So here are my images from my project. Like this is the total project where we can like outside the Ganges is flowing of the Howrah station, and here are the trains, and also in the overbridge we can see like the buses and cars and going from the main city, and actually a lot of edits need to be made. I wanted to have an Howrah bridge over here, like I have to create it, but due to some file issues I couldn't make, and the next time I will make it, and definitely I will have another session of it if sir has it. The time is
Time it took for making all this thing here? For study purpose, how much time it took? And for creating this in Revit, how much time it took?
so for study purpose it took me like 5 days, and for like creating it took 15 days, 15 not 25 days or something like that, 15 or 20
25.
days.
Okay, okay, okay. Daily, how many hours you used to do?
So actually, because of my slow thing, I had to give minimum 12 hours or 14 hours for making and like rendering and everything, each and everything.
Okay,
12
14
to
hours
14.
you so logged in into the system.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful product what you have created. How ma'am is evaluated you?
Sir, she was telling that you should go for any project manager role the way you are explaining things. I
Yes,
don't
yes.
know.
You are explaining the things is slow, steady, and you understood the subject. And lot of research also you did. That I can say by watching this presentation.
Yes,
And I appreciate your efforts
thank you.
on learning and do more and study well, and bright opportunities will be in place for you. Definitely.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Stay connected.
Sir,
Anything you want to convey to our students? A lot of our students are watching your video in YouTube and as well as in our institute.
actually, I wanted to tell them that this was my dream to make a station, and I wanted to join railways. Actually, that is my dream, and to say for the real. And I wanted to even construct like many new things in railways. As I have seen many platforms, many railway stations are underdeveloped in India. So I wanted to give them a new view, a new look into the station, and like each and everyone has a dream. To achieve that dream you need to set three P's and three S. One thing is, first thing is practice. Second thing is patience. You need to have patience for each and every project or each and every work that you are doing. And third thing is that the progress, each and every day you should progress on your project, not by okay one day we did and then we stop, and then we will be thinking that oh then should I again go for it, will it work or not. Just go for it, let it happen or not happen. But you there are nowadays there are many online like things that there, YouTube and many things that there. Everybody should concentrate on their things, like to know more. Not only the teachings that are being taught, you should also go explore yourself. You should go and explore each and everything that you are making. If it is like a small building, a small like a pot also you are making, then the dimensions and any decorations or any like useful things that you should add, and so just to make it more wonderful, and to make more realistic, to like people like in my case I'm having laptop which is of much lower graphics and much lower configuration. So for that I had to have a patience for this rendering that I am like this image that is being rendered. It took 9 hours for me to get it to it. Because like if you stay away from the laptop, it will be always using more memory and it will crash. So for 9 hours I had to sit beside it for rendering it yesterday.
Okay, 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 okay. I understood your the thing, how much efforts you have put, and what is the dream of you. You have a passion to achieve it, and you have done a very good work. And the dream is not that which you see while you are sleeping. It's the thing, something that doesn't let you sleep. That is the words I want to say. Definitely, you will get a very good future, and patient, and in spite of resources, a lot of people may be having very good resources, until unless
Yeah.
they don't know how to utilize, then it's of no use, I say. Resources these days are available, and we have to use in a right way, and with the patience, and definitely there is a wonderful time
Yes,
ahead.
absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I think your friend Wasim also joined from Kolkata, seems.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Yeah.
now he has joined, seems to be.
Oh,
Hi
I
Wasim,
have.
how are you?
Oh,
I think his mic is muted.
okay.
Wasim? No, no, no. He is speaking in message only. Okay, maybe mic problem will be there. And
So I have a video. Can I show it? Like I've
yeah,
closed it.
yeah, yeah, you can show it.
Okay.
Great work. Nice assignment, and you have done really for your dream to achieve.
Thank you. Thank.